Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer data from old Android phone. Make sure on your both phone Smart Switch application is installed. I will simply open Smart Switch application in both devices. Select wireless. I want to send data, so I will simply select send data through wireless. Connect. Now if you want to transfer everything, you can simply select everything, but I am selecting custom. Simply tap on next. Scroll down. I am selecting images. Transfer. As you can see, my data is transferred from old phone to new phone. This is how you can transfer your data on Samsung Galaxy A14. If this video helps you, please like this video and subscribe the channel for more information.